Hi, today I'm making a corn and radish and pepper salad. I have some leftover corn and I want to repurpose it for a really delicious salad. So we're going to begin with a quarter cup of bell pepper. I have my leftover corn on the cob, and that's going to make about a cup. And then I have a quarter cup of sliced radish and a half of the juice of a lime. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut the corn off of the cob here. And this is what it looks like. From there, I'm going to just put in a measuring cup to get a sense of what it is. It's about a cup and a quarter here. Transfer it to my salad bowl and then add my ingredients.